Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Alyssa, the Berry Little Paper Crafter. And today I just wanted to share some Christmas mini albums slash junk journals that I have been having so much fun making. I have 3 here, all of different sizes. And I'll just start with the smallest one, I guess, and flip through that. So all of them started out as paper bags. So one's just kind of like this. So for this one, I just glued some ribbon down the side with a little bow, and it has a Merry Christmas sticker on there, or label. And when you open it up, it's just got a side pocket, which is also part of the paper bag. And I added some ribbon to the side as well. This is just a little envelope that I made, and you could fit a gift card in there or just something small. And then I've got a little vellum flip here with a penguin on the front and the back. I've got a little pocket here with a tiny little tag. And a little space here to write a note, and same thing on this side. I did add these stickers at the top as well. Over here, I've got a vellum pocket with a journaling card on the inside. And over here, I have just some space to either put a photo or do some more journaling. I added some stickers at the bottom and a little peppermint tab at the top that I just stapled on, and a little cardinal sticker here down at the bottom. Another spot to journal or put a photo, and it's got a little Christmas tree in the corner. This was just a scrap paper that I had, and I just folded it to turn it into a little notepad almost, and I attached it with some washi tape. This is just a vellum page here, and it's got beautiful glittery green washi tape going down the side. In this pocket here, I've just got some tags and a gift tag label. And then over here, I have just a little space to do some journaling or to write a note, and another side pocket on the back page where I just stuck some more journaling cards inside. And that's it for this first little journal here. Moving on to my second journal. I didn't do much to the cover. I thought it was so beautiful as it was. I did add some ribbon along the edges here, but that's it. And on the inside, I did the same thing, doing a side pocket using the paper bag. So I tucked a sticker inside and a journaling card. On this little flap here, I've got a gift tag label at the bottom with a tag or 2 tags paper clipped to the top. And a beautiful journaling card here that I used foam tape to put down. And it says, "Merry and oh so bright." Over here is another journaling card, and I attached it with washi tape on the side so you could flip it. And here's that same paper bag that I used for my first journal. I made it into a little pocket in this journal. And of course, you can fill it with tons of things. There's tons of space in here. And another vellum page here. I included this beautiful glittery Christmas tree washi tape at the bottom. On this page, I've got a journaling card here. I was thinking that you could write your wish list on there or something like that. And I attached it with gold glittery washi tape. Over here in this pocket, I stuck another journaling card that says, "Oh, let it snow." more space here to do some journaling, or you can put photos, and I've got a sticker in the corner there. This is from the bottom of the paper bag, actually. So I turned it into a pocket, or a bunch of pockets. So this is just a little sticker. In here I've got a tag, some small little journaling cards or labels, and another sticker up top. So there's 4 pockets in total, just from using the bottom of the bag. Over here, I've got some journaling space, and I put some cute little fox stickers on there. This page is super simple. I put a hot cocoa served here sticker right there, and there's your hot cocoa. And just another journaling card on the inside. And another space to write a note here, and it also doubles as a pocket, so you can put tags, bookmarks, or whatever you'd like on the inside. And here's my side pocket at the end. Just have another tag and journaling card inside of there. So that is it for this one. And my last journal here is probably my favorite journal. I love anything ocean themed. I'm 100% a mermaid at heart. So, I mean, if you look at my sweater here, I have mermaids on my sweater. So, yeah, anything beachy, coastal themed, I love. So this is kind of beachy and Christmassy. I just tied some twine around it, and I put a little mermaid and starfish charm as well. The gift bag was already like decorated Christmassy, so they had already put this little hat on this fish, which I thought was so cute. All this glitter was already there on the bag, so I thought it was just so cute, and I just love this little journal. So let's go ahead and flip through this one. Same thing, I've got a side pocket here from the paper bag, and this little snowflake was already on the bag as well, so I definitely wanted to keep that. I did add some ribbon on the side, and it's just got some seashells there. Inside, I've just got some journaling cards. There's Snow Place Like Home for the Holidays for this one. And this is also from the same bag, and I just made it into a little journaling card. And then over here, I've got this paper that it reminded me of a mermaid tail, so I thought it fit well into this little journal here. And I put a glittery seashell sticker in the corner, and then this is just a piece of ribbon that says "Meet me by the sea." Over here, I've just got some ledger paper, and it opens up as well. And I put this little sticker here. It says prepared by and approved by, so I put Santa in the corner. And next, I used my doily, you guys. I just folded it in half and paper clipped it to this page that has bubbles on it. And I also stuck a little tag here, which says it's the most wonderful time of the year. And this is also from the gift bag, so I just stuck that on the back. Over here on this little flap, I just put a tag on here, and you'll open that up, and you've got some journaling space here on this beautiful, beautiful paper. I attached it with some snowflake washi tape, so you can flip it up, and then you'll see a little pocket here, also from the paper bag, and I just stuck some stickers on the inside. Next, I've got Santa on this side and a piece of vellum paper here with a rub-on transfer seashell. I have some tea-dyed paper here, and this was the first time I actually tea-dyed paper. I did this yesterday and I just tea-dyed a bunch of things and it was really fun. So yeah, that's what my paper came out to look like. And I just stapled a piece of that same ribbon from the front at the top there. This is a festive little pocket, and I made a tag using the gift bag as well. And these ribbons were also attached to the paper bag as well. So I just put them on my tag here. And on this page, I just paper clipped some tags here and some more ledger paper. It was actually left over from my first little piece here in the front, so I just attached it in the back. And another side pocket in the back, I put another kind of like burlappy sort of ribbon as a decoration there, and just some cards in the back. And then this was stamped on the paper bag as well. So I wanted to just include that as well, just as a memory and to know where this bag came from and what it turned into. So that's it for this journal here. I am in love with this one. I didn't even do anything to the cover because it was just beautiful as it was. And I just love this little fish here. And just like the simple, minimal design is beautiful to me as is. So I just kept it like that. And that's it for my 3 little paper bag mini albums / junk journals, whatever you want to call them. If you would like a tutorial on these, leave me a comment down below if that's something that you would be interested in. If you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you gave me a like and subscribed for more. I've been having so much fun just sharing my love of paper crafting with all of you, and I'm so happy that you are here on my little adventure with me. So thank you guys very much, and I'll see you all in my next video, and as always, happy crafting!